Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, I'll show you how to save a Word document like a pro. You'll learn the easiest way to save your file, turn on AutoSave, rename documents, and access them anywhere using OneDrive. Let's start by creating a new document. Create a new blank document. Now, let's add some random text. Type =rand 23 and press enter. This will insert 20 paragraphs with 3 lines each. Press Ctrl plus Home to jump to the top of the document. Notice in the title bar, the document is not yet saved. It just says Document 22. Look at the Quick Access toolbar. You'll see that AutoSave is turned off. The reason AutoSave is off is because we haven't saved this document yet. As soon as we save it, AutoSave will turn on automatically. This means any changes we make will be saved automatically to the file. No more pressing Ctrl plus S or clicking the Save button every time. When saving a file for the first time, click the File tab. Then select Save As. Here, you'll see a few options. At the top, you might see OneDrive and SharePoint. If you haven't set those up, you can click Add a Place. This lets you add your file storage system. I'm going to save my file in OneDrive. I'll choose my personal folder. Then FCO folder. Now, I'll type a file name, my first document. Notice the default file extension is .docs. Click Save. Now, look at the AutoSave toggle in the toolbar. It's turned on. If I make changes, like deleting something, you can also see the word saving in the title bar. And when it's done, it says saved. If I want to rename the document, I don't need to use Save As. Just click on the title at the top and type a new name. For example, I'll change my first document to my second document. You can see it is updating the name. This renames the file, not creates a copy. Now let's close the document. Click File, then Close. If closes the application of Word as well, then go to Start and reopen Word application. Look under Recent Documents. You'll see my second document. Click to open it. That's how you save a Word document. Now, let's talk about saving to OneDrive and why it's useful. I saved my second document into a OneDrive folder. Click the title bar and you can see the file path in OneDrive. Because it's saved in OneDrive, I can access it anywhere using the Microsoft 365 online portal. As long as I have an internet connection, I can open and edit the document from a web browser. For example, I can log into office.com using my email and password. On the home page, under Recommended, I'll see my recent document, my second document. If you want to learn OneDrive in details, click this link. There is a whole playlist. This is the power of saving to OneDrive. Everything syncs, and you can access your files from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical tutorials. Check out our next video for more tips and tricks in Microsoft Word.